In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your iPad using Windows 11. The first thing we need to do is to download an application called Apple Devices. To do this, we first want to open our Start menu, and then you want to search for Store and open the Microsoft Store. Once you've done this, you want to select the search box at the top, and you want to search for Apple Devices. It should be the top result, which will look like this. Once we've selected it, you want to click on the Get button or the Install button to download it to your Windows 11 PC. Now we've downloaded Apple Devices, we just need to go ahead and open it up. And when we do that, you'll see the license agreement, so you want to select Agree. And then you want to select Start, and then you will see the application, which will look like this. Now we just need to go ahead and connect our iPad to our Windows 11 PC. And you may need to unlock the iPad and click on Trust. And when you do that, you see your iPad information on your Windows 11 PC. So now the iPad and Windows have been connected, we just need to go ahead and update our iPad. So to do this, you want to select the Update button, and then after a few seconds you see this pop up with the new update, which in this example is iPadOS 26.4. So we're going to select Update, and then here you'll see the changelog, so you can read through this and select Next. Now you see the license agreement, so you want to select Next. And then you need to enter in the passcode to your iPad, and then you want to select Continue. This is going to begin to download the update to your Windows 11 PC, and then it's going to install it to your iPad, so you just want to follow the step-by-step instructions afterwards. If you cannot get your iPad to automatically update, then you may need to do it manually instead. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to IPSW.me, and I'll leave this link in the description below. From here, we want to select our model of iPad. So we're going to select iPad, and in the example of this video, it's going to be A70 Pro Cellular. Here you'll see the signed IPSW files at the top, which are the update files. So we're going to select the latest one as of recording this video, and then we're going to select Download, and then you want to go ahead and save the IPSW file to your Windows 11 PC. Now we have downloaded the IPSW file, we just need to install it. So to do that, we first want to open Apple Devices, and then you want to reconnect your iPad to Windows 11. Once you've done this, you now need to manually install the update. So to do that, you want to hold Shift, and then you want to select the Update button, and this will open your File Explorer. And from here, you just want to select the IPSW file that we downloaded earlier. You will then see this pop up, and it will tell you which iPadOS it is, which in this example is 26.4. So we're going to select Update, and then it's going to begin to extract the software and install it to your iPad. So you just want to continue following the step-by-step process to complete it. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and consider hitting the join button below. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.